morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my weekend haul for you guys. So listen, it's hot. It's 91 degrees right now in Victor Valley. I hope the AC is not too loud because your girl was in here. I had my hoodie on, trying to be incognito, and I was sitting here baking, like frying, like some bacon, like sizzling, like. I was like, oh no, we're not doing it. And so I had to take it off. And so I hope the AC is not too loud. So listen, I'm gonna try to make this quick. So if you're new here though, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. Really quick. David's coming back today, you guys. He was only gone for a week, but it felt like forever. And he had such an awesome time, y'all. He wants to go back. He wish they could have stayed an extra week, but they was only there for a week, and it was through it was like missionary work, and so such an amazing experience for him. I am so freaking proud of him. It's not even funny. And he was like, Mom, like they all look like you. They're like on my complexion. I was just like, oh, my complexion is. I just wanted to mention that really quick for you guys. So listen. For my bonus, I need 15 offers for $5. All right. I've been getting 10 for $5, but I am mad at this, right? So that should be pretty easy. I also have a trivia bonus, and for that you have to answer 3 questions. It was like last week, and I had to ask Google. I ain't even gonna lie. I was like, Google. Google got them all right. Shout out to Google. How many y'all around my age wish you had Google back then? Like, Google, what's the answer to the question, Google? So for that, I need 3 offers for $3. So I'm gonna get 18 total today and get back $8. So that should be cool. Now this other bonus, the classroom cash bonus, for that I need like 150 offers, y'all. I don't know how I'm really trying to be optimistical about it. But I don't know about that. I don't know. We have the whole entire month. Let me say that. For $50. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys got in the comments. Other than that, this is Walmart. I will be sharing a few deals I did at Target as well, and I'll probably do Target first this time, and then we'll hit Walmart. So if you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, and we're at Target again for this deal because it reset for us. Ooh, look, these went up in price. They were $229, now they're $269. The same price as those down there. So it's gonna cost a little bit more, 69 cents each, which is still not necessarily bad. I actually go through these pretty fast. Like, these sell really good for me, so I'll go ahead and just grab. I'm gonna grab it again. I might just go ahead and grab some of those down there since they're the same price. So I'm gonna grab 4 of them. Price at $269. You'll pay $7, right? I wish you were paying $7. You're paying $10.76, and then you're gonna get back $8 on Swagbucks, which is gonna bring them down to $2.76 for 4, or 69 cents each. Okay, so the other thing I'm gonna grab while I'm here, I was gonna do this deal at Walmart, but I saw a post by that coupon chick on Instagram doing it here at Target. So I said, hey, it's a better deal. It's a money maker. Why wouldn't I do it here, right? So certain ones are buy 3 get 1 free. So we're gonna grab the Temptations lickable spoons at $3.19. We'll grab 4. 1 will be free. We'll pay $9.57. We'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, and then we'll get back 560 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.24 for each, making this a $3.39 moneymaker. Okay, really quick, guys. So just a reminder on the Diana's dark chocolate dip bananas. They are priced at $5.49, and for this, there's an offer on Social Nature, making it free. I'm not sure if there's still an offer on Merryfield, but if you have that offer there, it would make it a nice money maker. And so yeah, I'll have a link in the description. Okay, so this first deal is on the Harkins Chocolate Crunchy Nutty Bars. Now, this is a social nature offer. I have to buy it at this store. They're priced at $2.74. You're gonna get that back again through social nature. And then we're gonna get back 30 cents on Ibotta, making this a 30-cent moneymaker. And I don't know which one I want. Do I want the crunchy or do I want the nutty choices? And of course, there is the Rockstar. Now, just a reminder that this deal can be done every other week. If you share your referral link and someone uses it, then that allows you another redemption. And so that's why I've been doing it so much. And so we're gonna grab 2 of these, priced at $188. We'll pay $3.70 something. We'll get back 5, and it'll make this $1.24 moneymaker, I want to say. Now, of course, you can grab these at the dollar quarter or more tree, but those are smaller cans, and so I've been grabbing them here. Plus, y'all know dollar quarter and more tree receipts be looking faded and busted as heck. And so, other than that, it still makes it a moneymaker either way it goes. And so, yeah, so these next 2 deals are going to be on Poise. Now, I don't have the offer on ShopMim or the sister apps anymore, but I do still have Ibotta. I don't think I have it on Shopkick either. So I'm going to grab one. Can you guys see where I got the pilly at? I'm right there. They're right here. So I'm going to grab a 30 count price at $5.97. I'll use the $2 peely. Hopefully it scans. We'll pay $3.97 out of pocket, get back 2 different offers on Ibotta for $2, making it a 3-cent moneymaker. I'm also going to be grabbing the 44 count as well. Liners here priced at $5.94. Hopefully the same $2 peely will work. And then we'll pay $3.94. There's 2 different offers on Ibotta. One is $2, one is $1. Bringing that down to a 6-cent moneymaker. So we're going to grab these 2 items. They're both going to be free. And it's going to count for 4 offers on Ibotta, which is awesome. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the U by Kotex 40 count again, priced at $3.64. Now for this, I'm going to grab 2 of them. I went to paying $7.28. I'll get back, well, there's 2 different offers on Ibotta for $1 each. So we'll get back 4 and then $3 on inbox dollars, making them only 14 cents each. Look, you guys, they have new Dove scents. If you want to smell like apple cider caramel pie, pumpkin pie for your boo. They smell good though, but I don't want to smell like an apple pie or a pumpkin pie for my boo. Okay, so really quick on the Toms of Maine deal. Now, not as great a deal as it was last time because we don't have the offers on Checkout 51 anymore. But if you want to grab 2 of these, you'll grab them at $7.97. You'll end up paying $15.94 out of pocket, but you'll get back 800 kicks for each on Shopkick, which is a total of $6.40. And then we'll get back $7.50 for buying 2 on Tada. So it makes them $102 each, which is not necessarily bad. I wasn't going to do this deal. I literally just donated all the mac and cheese that I had at the house, all of it, like all of that mac and almost cheese, kind of cheese, not cheese, kind of might be cheese depending on who you ask. I donated all of it and I'm about to get 2 more boxes because I'm short 2 offers. So we're gonna grab this macaroni. It's priced at $108. We'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta, making it 58 cents. And so yeah, if you make it to the last deal, I want to see cheese in the comments. See you guys at home for the final breakdown. Alright guys, so here is my little bitty haul for today. This was pretty easy peasy. I meant to do the Clorox 4 times. I did it 3 times at Target, and I meant to do it the 4th time when I was at Walmart, but I totally forgot. There's only like a penny difference between the stores now, since Walmart is $2.68 and Target is $2.69. And so I meant to do it at Walmart, but I totally forgot. And I was like, I am not going back in there. Please excuse Josiah in there being his little human self. A couple of you guys asked, he's doing much better. He got burnt. He got his first burn. It was so sad. I'm only happy that I had everything that we needed here, which was really cool. So yeah, all of that Curette black wrap has really been coming through. And so yeah, So please excuse him in the next room being his human self. I apologize in advance for any sudden outbursts that you might hear. And so, but yeah, this haul worked out good. As far as the poise and the Kotex, they both did double attach for me. I'm gonna try this Harkins. I think I'm gonna try it after I finish recording this video. The Clorox went straight through on My Points and Ta-Da, and it went into review on Swagbucks. Actually, you know what? I had to scan the product. And I think last time it went into review. So I kind of low-key expected that. I did Rockstar 2 times. I was in search, y'all, for the grape and that other one. But all I could find was the fruit punch. But listen, let me make this quick because I'm tired, y'all. I'm not even joking. All right, so everything you see here retails $76.65. I had the 2 coupons on the points, which scanned perfectly fine. I went to self-checkout, and then what else? The temptation was buy 3 get 1 free. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $69.46. My sales tax was $3.80, and then we walk away with $24.30 from Ibotta. My points is $11.76. IELTS was $10. Shopkick is $8.80. Swagbucks was $8. Ta-Da was $8, and last but not least was Social Nature, which was $2.74. I'm sorry, that is still pending. So we walk away with a total of $73.60 in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $4.14 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. After sales tax, it makes it a 34-cent moneymaker. So really, really quick, I wanted to mention something. I had to return something to Walmart this morning. And one of my favorite cashiers was letting me know that they updated their return policy. And now, without the receipt, all they can do is a gift card. Like before, it used to be where if the total was under $10 or under $5, they would give it back to you in cash. But they have since changed it. So if you don't have the receipt, then it's only going to be a gift card. I do returns either or. If I can do it with the receipt, I will, because I'd rather have my cash back than Walmart a gift card. Other than that, if you make it to the end, it's so funny, I asked Josiah what our emoji should be, and he said cheese. And I was like, wow, I said cheese earlier for the last deal. So if you get to the end, let's see some cheese emojis in the comments. As always, we really appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Okay, this is a funky little angle. I'm gonna try this Harkins. I'm gonna tack this clip onto the end of the video, okay? It's supposed to be plant-based. It's only 140 calories. This is the nutty one. The nutty one. So I said, let me try. I was editing this video. I was like, let me try this real quick. Let's try this. This is the nutty. So what it looks like. This is good. I like it. Is it plant-based? I believe it is. This is really good, y'all. You know what I didn't really care much for? The one we got in our last video. What was it called? Hold on, this one. I didn't care much for this one. I thought I would try it with like my coffee, but I barely finished the one. I mean, I finished it, but I like barely finished it. This is what they. This is how big they are. But it's like they're okay, but I probably wouldn't buy them. I probably wouldn't get them if they wasn't free or I wasn't making money off it. But this right here, this Harkin is good. If I get another offer on Social Nature, I'm definitely gonna try the other one, the crunchy one. But as far as this one here, it's good. I'm gonna go finish editing this video and I'm gonna eat this because it's really good. I'm really joking with y'all. This one right here, big thumbs up.